What is your name?
My name is Jane.
How are you?
I'm good, thank you. And you?
I am fine. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Do you speak English?
Yes, I speak a little English.
What's your favorite color?
My favorite color is blue.
How old are you?
I'm 25 years old.
Do you have any siblings?
Yes, I have one brother and one sister.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
What time is it?
It's 2 o'clock.
Do you like coffee?
Yes, I like coffee very much.
How many apples are there?
There are 3 apples.
Is it hot today?
Yes, it's very hot today.
What are you doing?
I'm reading a book.
Can you swim?
Yes, I can swim.
What color is your car?
My car is red.
Are you married?
No, I'm single.
What do you like to do in your free time?
I like to listen to music.
Do you have a pet?
Yes, I have a dog.
What's your favorite food?
My favorite food is pizza.
Do you have a job?
Yes, I work as a teacher.
Can you play the guitar?
No, I can't play the guitar.
Where did you go yesterday?
Yesterday, I went to the park.
What's the weather like?
It's sunny.
What did you eat for breakfast?
I ate eggs and toast.
How do you go to school?
I go to school by bus.
What's your favorite movie?
My favorite movie is The Lion King.
Do you like to travel?
Yes, I love to travel.
What's your dream job?
My dream job is to be an astronaut.
Do you like sports?
Yes, I like playing tennis.
What did you do last weekend? You like sports?
I went to the beach.
How many languages do you speak?
I speak 2 languages. Where is the nearest supermarket? It's on Main Street, next to the bank.
What's your favorite season?
My favorite season is spring.
Do you prefer tea or coffee?
I prefer tea.
How are you feeling today?
I'm feeling a bit tired today.
What's your favorite book?
My favorite book is Harry Potter.
Where did you learn English?
I learned English at school.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at m.
Do you have any plans for the weekend?
Yes, I am going to visit my family.
Do you like to cook?
Yes, I enjoy cooking very much.
What's your favorite TV show?
My favorite TV show is Friends.
Can you drive a car?
Yes, I can drive.
Do you have a computer?
Yes, I have a laptop.
What color are your eyes?
My eyes are brown.
Do you like to dance?
No, I don't like dancing.